thought that I'd fall in love, 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 love. But it grew from a simple crush, 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 crush. Being without you, girl, now it's all messed up, 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 up. When you walked out, said that you had enough, enough, nothing a fool. Girl, I know, didn't expect this is how things would go. Maybe in time, you'll change your mind. Now looking back, I wish I could rewind. Because I can't sleep till you're next to me. No, I can't live without you more. Oh, I'll stay up till you're next to me, till this house feels like it did before. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia.
Happy birthday to
Trust, trust.
Hi! Kakailang namin tanghalian. Happy birthday, Irene. Wish you have more birthdays to come. Well, all delicious. Fantastic.
Wala pa rin pumabalak yung dalawa.
Malapit na. Gusto ko muna apo. Wala pa ko apo eh. Si Denzel pala apo ko. Gusto ko na gusto ko apo na agad.
May blessing na yan.
May blessing na yan. Sa akin iiwan. Sa akin yung una.
Sa Irene, mabait, tahimik, ano. Ayun lang. Si Irene, pag meron siya, isa madamo, pag meron siya, hinipin niya kami. Siya yung tao, hindi madamo talaga. Kasi pag meron siya, tapos, dahil mabait, saka masipag mag-trabaho. Mahal niya si Reinhard, lagi tumatawag sa bahay. Lagi pine-check up ni Reinhard si Irene. Irene din, ganun din, pag-uwi. Reinhard ang hawak lagi, cellphone. Yun. Irene, happy birthday! Birthday! Sana masaya-masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo. Siyempre, nandito si Kuya, nandito kami. I wish you all the best. At saka, paano magtagal pa kayo ni Kuya? Happy birthday, Irene! Love you!
Hi Irene, happy birthday. Sana wish you all the best. And sana marami pang birthdays na gana yan ito. Sama-sama tayo. Talagang surprise to kasi parang yung side mo at saka yung side ni Reinhard nagkasama-sama for this occasion.
Parang pamanhi ka na, ano no?
So, correct. Parang parang graduate to being single. So siguro yung next birthday mo sana double na.
At may ano pa, at may chikiting na.
Yun. Wish na rin ng Ninang Selly na magka-baby. Kaya yung advice ko sa'yo yesterday na gumawa na kayo ngayon, may blessing na yon. Kasi importante ang magkaanak. Ayun, yun lang. Happy birthday and thank you for all the food and happy moments like this. That's all. Thank you. Ninang, happy birthday. So yun, Ninang, happy birthday from Denzel. Yun lang.
Beautiful girls all over the world I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Yeah. Nothing on you, baby.
nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun, with no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. There's so much nonsense that's on my conscience. I'm thinking maybe I should get it out. And I don't wanna sound redundant, but I was wondering if there was something that you wanna know. But never mind that, we should let it go. Cause we don't wanna be a TV episode. And all the bad thoughts, just let them go. Go, 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 go.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you.
Nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you.
Wish ko, good health. Thank you sa lahat ng bait-bait mo sa amin, sa family ko, lalo-lalo na kay Kuya Raynard. Thank you. At sana talaga, gusto ko ikaw na talaga parang kay Kuya. Kasi nakikita ko, happy si Kuya sa'yo at happy kami pa kay Kuya na ikaw yung kasama niya.
Hi, Irene. Alam mo, sobrang saya namin kasi nakapag-bonding yung family mo at family po ni Kuya Raynard. Thank you sa lahat ng mga pagsasama natin, sa lahat ng mga okasyon na magkakasama tayo. At yun, sana kayo na talaga ni Kuya Raynard kasi gusto ko namin para sa kanya. Dahil alam namin sobrang saya ni Kuya Raynard sa feeling mo. Yun. At sana, sooner, magkaroon na kami ng pamangkin para happy kami, happy si Kuya Raynard, happy rin si Mama Sel, kami happy Carly. Happy birthday! We love you!
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, cause they got nothing on you.
Irene, salamat sa pakain. Happy birthday. Madadagdagan na naman ako ng pounds nito. Ilang pounds nito. Well, ano nga bang wish ko sa'yo? Siyempre, good health, good career sa Unilever or kung sa ibang bansa man, kung saan ka swerte-swertein. Ayun pa, saka good relationship with Kuya Raynard. Yun lang naman yun eh. Wala na ako may isip eh. Kain mo na ako ha. Happy birthday!
Well, I saw fireworks from the freeway, and behind closed eyes I can't make them go away. Cause you were born on the 4th of July. Freedom ring, well something on the surface it stinks. Something on the surface where the color makes me nervous.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, happiness, and wish you happy with Kuya Raynard. Ayun lang. Happy birthday. Gigi.
Is the comedy, is that it's serious? This is a strange enough new play on words. I said the tragedy is how you're gonna spend the rest of your nights with the light on. So shine the light on all of your friends. Well, it all amounts to nothing in the end. I won't worry my life away.
kay Ate Irene, advance happy birthday. Sana maging tawag doon. Kapatid ka na namin officially.
In the near future. Sumunod na kayo. Sumunod na kayo sa amin ni Pao.
Wag lang ngayon taon, sukob yun. Next year na lang.
Next year. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
We love
Ate
you! Yun na yun! Wag na! Please, please! Message! Jora! Message ko muna! Yun na yun! Yun na yun? Sige na.